angels, hi my loves, it's LV Lux Girl back again with another video. So in today's video I wanted to talk a little bit about vintage Coach. I wanted to talk about vintage Coach and I wanted to talk about my Coach Originals catalog. This is a Coach Originals catalog from fall 2019. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. Hope you could see it. It's from fall 2019. And it talks about the Coach Originals, which is being sold in stores right now. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about my Coach Originals catalog right here. So it tells you basically about how the first Coach store was opened in 1981 in Madison Avenue in New York. And it goes on to talk about some of the Bonnie Cashin bags and some of the history of Coach in this Coach Originals catalog. So another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about in regard to my Coach Originals catalog right here, it talks about the restored and the remixed bags. And here you see, it tells you a little bit about the restored bags and the remixed bags that Coach is currently making in the Coach Originals selection that they have, the line right now in stores, the Coach Classics and the Coach Originals and the Coach Restored. Basically, this catalog is talking about how Coach, the Coach company, has went all around the country in the USA gathering up bags and collecting bags from thrift stores and consignment shops, and they've basically restored them and remixed them. So just like my vintage Coach Courier bag that I have right here and my Coach Rambler bag, you know, I ended up purchasing these from a consignment shop. Some of my bags I've purchased from, I've been able to acquire from consignment stores or thrift stores, and basically I've conditioned them and washed them and cleaned them and restored them just like the Coach company is doing with their line of the Coach collection, the restored and the remixed bags. And this catalog from fall 2019, you know, is telling you basically that they're doing the same thing. Of course, they're probably doing it, you know, they have more hands-on help. It's more than one person, you know, that they have at their factories doing it. And they have a current factory open right now. It tells you in this catalog that, you know, you can order directly from Coach Factory in New York. And it says, for a catalog and store list, you can write to customer service, Coach Leatherwear, 516 West 34th Street, New York City, zip code 10001. So it gives you the information in this fall 2019 catalog of where you can contact the Coach company. Right at the bottom there, it tells you the information where you can contact the customer service for Coach. And that address again, that is currently open as late as 2019, and we're in 2020 right now. So the contact number is customer service, Coach Leatherwear, 516 West 34th Street, New York City, 10001 is the zip code. Then it goes on to show you some of the Coach Originals. And what I like about this catalog is, even though this is a new catalog from 2019, this isn't a vintage catalog. I like that they printed it in black and white. They did this 2019 catalog in black and white, and they did it with a brown paper bag color cover, even though it's a new catalog, and it gives it kind of an antiquated old vibe. And they're telling you about some of the Coach Originals in this catalog. They're telling you about the Federal bag, the saddle bag, the long clutch, the kangaroo bag, the cylinder satchel, the saddle bag, the mailbox bag, the convertible clutch, the elite bag, the mini clutch, the holster bag, the crescent bag, the portfolio tote, and the school bag clutch. So they're telling you about these Coach Original bags right here as well in this new catalog. And I just read them off to you, but that's how they have it pictured in this new Coach Originals catalog. Another thing that I wanted to talk about in my new Coach Originals catalog is that they feature my lovely Coach Courier bag right here, and here it is that they featured it, and I love that they did a special feature for my Coach Courier bag. And there's my beauty right there, and that's how they have her featured in the bag. So I just wanted to go ahead and talk about this new Coach catalog from 2019, because they don't really make the catalogs anymore like they used to years and years ago. You know, I've talked about several of my vintage Coach catalogs, and I'll link them down below. But this time I wanted to come on here and talk about a new Coach catalog from 2019, because they're not making the catalogs anymore, you guys. So this, I thought, was a rare treasure to have and to get, is the new 2019 fall Coach catalog. And also, like I said, I was just so happy that they featured my beautiful Coach Courier in that catalog. This bag, the leather on this bag is just so amazing and so beautiful, you guys. Really, really a nice bag. I really, really like the Courier. I dreamt of this bag in my collection. This is one of my holy grail Coach bags that I never thought I would have in my collection, the vintage Coach Courier. And of course, this bag is being sold online with the Coach Originals collection. The only difference is that the ones that are being sold online have like a little off-color white threading around the flap here and around the bag. I really like the durable leather, the durable leather that you get with the vintage Coach version of the Courier bag, like this one. And thank you again, you guys, for sticking it out with me for yet another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to go ahead and link my other catalog videos down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video.